Hello guys, welcome to 0 to 0. This is how I increase zero in my bank account from 0 to zeros. So there's a lot of ways to increase your money, a lot of ways to invest, but one of really famous is trading. What is trading? Actually, trading is buying and selling financial instruments, and there's a lot of financial instruments, for example stocks, ETF, forex, or even cryptocurrency. But I'm gonna talk only about stock because it's the only way that I have experience about that. Just give me 7 minutes, I will make you understand stock trading. So let's start with what is stock. Stock is also known as equity or share. When you buy a stock or equity or share, whatever you want to call, you become a stakeholder or a part of companies' assets and earning. But it doesn't mean that you can go to the company and say that I have a stock of the company, I want to fire this one, or you want to change blah blah blah. You cannot do that. It's not how it works. So how does it work? Imagine every company needs to become successful and want to become a leader in the industry. And there are 1,000 companies in the same industry and a different industry in the world. So that needs a lot of money to develop their own business. For example, hire the smart people or invest in a new system or new technology. Any action needs money. And the question is how they can get that money. Is made like $100 million or even $1 billion. The only place that can provide a lot of money like that is a bank. And where is the source of money of the bank? Of course, the bank cannot just, create money and print money and give it to everyone whatever you want. It's not how money works. I'm gonna talk about theory of money later, but let me give you a quick brief about how the bank works. So where is the source of money of the bank? This is really interesting. So when people deposit money to the bank, for example, like 5 people deposit like $100. So the bank pull out the money, probably 10 to 30% of the money. Let's say 30%. When the bank pull up 30% of each person, like $30, so the bank have $150. And that's the sort of money that I give to other peoples or company who needs loan. And then they collect interest as their profits. And then the bank give it back to people who deposit money, maybe 2%, maybe 1.5 or 2%. And that is how the bank works. The bank gets money by acting like a middleman. And because of all of chaos, the new middleman has been established as a stock exchange. It's work really similar with the bank. So stock exchange work as a middleman, but a part of getting money from people. They act like a market and give an opportunity to retail investor who want to invest in a company like directly. Because the company needs money, so they sell stocks in various prices. And a company share their profits through dividends. And of course, it's more than the bank give it to you. However, stock prices change every day according to a company performance. For example, when a company releases a new product and it's become like famous, so the value of the company is increased and the price of their stock is increased. On the other hand, if the company make a mistake or some situation happen that damage the company reputation, of course, what is gonna happen? The value of the company is reduced and the price of the stock of the company is reduced. And because of the variety of the price, so the investor can trade for capital gain is to buy when the price is low and sell it when the price is high. So between a gap or the range of different prices, it can give you like 10% or 30% of the money you invested in it. Of course, it's more than dividend that the company gives to you in each year. So that's why a lot of traders, they trade for capital gains to get money from a variety of prices. And that's what we call stock trading. So what I say, any information and knowledge I give it to you today is very, very basic knowledge. You don't need to like completely understand like 100%, but at least you have an idea about stock trading, and encourage you to like search more information by yourself. So it's very, very interesting way to invest and increase your money in your bank accounts. But everything has to be cautioned. Nothing easy. So imagine like there are 1,000 people who spend like 4 years studying about financial, economic, or something about finance, but they still fail. Not everyone succeeds. So who do you think you are? This is very, very important thing that you need to know before you become a trader. Okay guys, let's see what I'm gonna talk about in the next episodes. So if you have anything to change or you want to talk about, you can comment or give me a message, everything. And see you for the next episode. Bye!